Slave-driven lift gates provide safe conveyor access by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built 2 independently powered, straight-configured bottle conveyors with lift gates for a new chemical packaging line, single-lane filled and capped containers of which product is not shown for proprietary purposes, end transfer on low back pressure roller transitions with complete stability at infeed and again at discharge of the petite 80-inch long overall conveyor sections. Each conveyor includes a manually operated liftgate assembly for operator access through the production lines. The operator can easily maneuver to the opposite side where they safely and manually lower the slave-driven liftgate back into the horizontal position. An operator can access the liftgates by using handles mounted on either side of the system. Multi-Conveyor designed each liftgate assembly with a bottom safety pan for additional operator protection while in the upright position. This manual liftgate assembly was provided with 30 inches of clearance in the upright position, slave-driven from each conveyor discharge end. Standard built-in safety features include bearing covers, finger guards, and shaft cut guards. We demonstrate raising and lowering the mechanism in operation mode for demonstration purposes only. However, Multi-Conveyor urges customers to power off the conveyor before accessing a liftgate assembly for operator safety. Proper safety training is outlined in our operations manual, but it is ultimately the responsibility of the end user. Liftgates are a part of Multi-Conveyor's core capabilities. We provide an assortment of liftgate solutions for many markets, and in some cases require pneumatic assist or air shock assist liftgate solutions to provide a gentle return to their base horizontal position. See even more liftgate solutions on our website at www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Let's get working on your next project. Chances are we have already built a conveyor just like the one you're looking for right now, or made one pretty darn close. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best, conveyed better.